Hello everyone, and also from me, a warm welcome here at the EPC. I'm standing in one of our aviary compartments to explain to you a bit about the importance of cleaning process during the empty period. So it is paramount to make sure you have a thorough cleaning process in place to reduce the red mite population before the actual start of the next flock. So how do we do that? The cleaning protocol includes both dry cleaning and wet cleaning. Wet cleaning you preferably do with hot water and soap. That will be most effective. So before you do that, make sure to remove all the manure, all the dirt from your hen house so that you can target the whole housing system with cleaning. After you have thoroughly cleaned everything, disinfection product should be used. The steps or the overview steps to cover during cleaning are provided here as well. So, which places you have to pay extra attention to? These are mite hiding places. So they differ between housing types, farm types, also sometimes between consecutive flocks. So it's really important to take them in mind. For example, what we have here, you should always think about manure crusts, residues on the manure belt. That's where PRM usually love to hide. Apart from that, also accumulations with dust or other debris like egg debris need to be cleaned. Support structures of the housing system, also support structures for the perches are things you should take into account, and then tubing as well, tubing for aeration tubes. Those are important things to consider. So apart from that, mites like to hide in inaccessible places, and particularly around the areas where birds sleep at night. So that might be high upon the system as well. Apart from a thorough cleaning protocol, there's also some preventive treatments you can implement during the empty period right before the placement of the flock. So, for example, you can use silica. Please make sure that you take into account the type of silica. So you have natural silicas, synthetic silicas. They can be used as a dry powder. They can be dissolved in water. It's very important that you check this with the supplier first, what would be the best in your case. So apart from silica, another example to treat during the empty period is heat treatment. So temperatures above 45 degrees Celsius are lethal to red mite. But also please take care that you're sure that your housing system and equipment can withstand such high temperatures for a longer time. Also, after placement of the hens, it's also important to uphold your regular biosecurity protocol to avoid introducing red mite into your hen house. So actions during the empty period are only effective if you carry them out thoroughly, and then they will hopefully ensure that you can keep your flock mite-free or relatively mite-free for a longer while. So that was it for me. I'd like to